We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, I'm Cecil here at Onyx Imaging, and I was wanting to demonstrate to you how to locate your paper jams in this Okidata B731. A lot of times your paper jams may be located here in the tray if the roller was unable to pick up the paper. That's the first place you look. The second place that I often look, if you don't see a jam right away, is you open the front door. And you may see the jam right here at this place. Sometimes it's been caused by misloaded paper or paper with folded corner. If you do not see it there, your next place to look would be to remove the toner cartridge unit, and you may find it under here. Last but not least, another location you can find jams in your printer will be inside the back door. So open the back door here is where you'll locate it. Sometimes that's a challenge depending on how close it is to a wall where you have it in your workstation. Now if you keep receiving repeated jams in the same location, no matter what you try to do, it may be time to contact us and let us look at your faithful Okidata for you. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.